Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to explain you about twomorefunny.com website review, and in this video I will tell you whether it is legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review I will help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. twomorefunny.com website offers you with beautiful pets, toys, and here you can see picture regarding it. All the toys seem really beautiful and attractive, and they are realistic in their appearance. Also, they are priced reasonably and are affordable, which is a good sign here. So guys, you will get your product shipped between 8 to 14 days, and this was about the shipping timing. Also, you will get free shipping if you order your toy costing over $30. So this was about the shipping. Now guys, you can make your payment on this website using PayPal, and that was about it. Now guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a legit or scam one. Guys, we came to know that this website shows a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing. Also, we found that this website was registered on 30th October 2019. So its domain name is still old. Now, let us see some more information regarding the website. And let us see what details are given here on the About Us page of this website. As you can see, the About Us page shows irrelevant information, as they have mentioned here that they sell shoes and clothes on their website, and that is a big scam sign here, as the information pasted here is copied from other scam websites. That was not good. Also, you will not find any important information related to website on their About Us page, and that was dissatisfying here. Now coming to the prices, we found prices to be unreasonable, and images also seem of real pet animals, and that is again a scam sign here. Now coming to the payment, the only payment option provided here is PayPal, and you don't get other options with it, and that was not a good thing here. Now let us check some of the contact details given here on the website. So guys, this is the contact us page of the website, and here you can see that they are providing you with some link to track your order, and this link is not working. Also, they are providing you with an email address which does not matches to the domain name of the website, and it is a suspicious sign here again. Also, the phone number given here is not accessible, so contact details given here are fake, and that was again a scam sign here. Now coming to the social media presence, guys, we came to know that this website is not active on any of the social media platform, and that was again a suspicious thing we found about it. Now coming to the return policy, you can see here that they provide 30-day return policy in case you are not satisfied with your purchase. So guys, if you have any experience of return or refund policy regarding this website, then do let us know about it in the comment box below. Talking about the customer reviews, guys, we could not find any customer reviews for this website, which is a suspicious thing here again. Also, the content quality seen for the website was not good, as we could see only unlimited product images here. Also, we could find copy paste work from other scam websites here on this website. So content quality overall is very poor. Now giving a final verdict, guys, I would declare this website to be a scam one based on its poor content quality and lack of social media presence. I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you. Guys, if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites, then do check the link given in the description area. Also, do share your thoughts about today's video in the comment box below. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.